Hello my dear students. Today I am going to explain you about the direct and indirect speech. As we had learned in our previous video about active and passive voices. Those rules to change from active to passive and from passive to active I had explained you. Now the next is direct and indirect speech. Here we can say that the words of a speaker may be reported in two ways. बिफोर दिस आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू दैट जैसे हम दो लोग बात कर रहे हैं और हम अपने विचार को जैसे हमने किसी से कहा उस विचार को हम तीसरे को किस तरह से प्रदर्शित करेंगे या किस तरह से एक्सप्रेस करेंगे वो डायरेक्ट और इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में आता है. सो we can express it in or reported it in two ways. First is direct speech and second is indirect speech. Direct speech when we are quoting his actual words means speaker's actual words, जब हम उसके actual words को quote करते हैं. Second is indirect speech when we may report what he has actually said without quoting his exact words, यानी हम उसकी बात को किस तरह से प्रदर्शित करते हैं उसके एग्जैक्ट वर्ड्स के बिना. दिस इज ऑल्सो नोन एज दिस इज ऑल्सो नोन एज द रिपोर्टेड स्पीच. सो वी कैन से इनडायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच टू पार्ट्स होते हैं. एक होता है रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब और एक होता है रिपोर्टेड स्पीच. एंड वन मोर थिंग दैट कॉमा और इन्वर्टेड कॉमा का यूज होता है इसमें. सो पार्ट विच इज बिफोर द कॉमा दैट इज रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब and the part which is put into the inverted comma that is reported speech. Here I have taken an example. Inverted comma begins I am unwell, comma inverted comma close he said full stop. This is in the direct speech. Now how will we convert it into indirect speech? He said that he was unwell. This is indirect speech. Here you might have noticed that inverted commas and comma are omitted and we are using conjunction that. So we can say in the direct speech we use inverted commas to mark off the exact words of the speaker. And while converting into indirect speech, inverted commas and comma are omitted and the conjunction that is used. Hello my dear students. Today I am going to explain you direct and indirect speech. As you know we had studied in last videos about the active and passive voices and we had learned the rules to change from active to passive and passive to active. I hope you might have understood that. Now the next is direct and indirect speech. So I'll tell you, before explaining the rules I'll tell you direct और indirect speech यदि हम सिंपल वे में देखें, यदि आप किसी दूसरे व्यक्ति से बात कर रहे हैं और उस बात को वह किसी थर्ड पर्सन को या किसी और को एक्सप्रेस करता है आपके ही वर्ड्स को लेकर या फिर आपके वर्ड्स को कोट किए बिना, दैट इज डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. सो वी कैन से फॉर द वर्ड्स ऑफ अ स्पीकर मे बी रिपोर्टेड इन टू वेज. Number one is direct speech, another is indirect speech. So first is direct speech when we are quoting his means speakers actual words. And in indirect speech we can say we may report what he has actually said without quoting his exact words. This is also known as reported speech. So we can say there are two parts in the direct speech. एक part होता है that is reporting verb, वो comma के पहले वाला, and another is which is in the inverted commas that is known as the reported speech. Here I have taken an example. Inverted comma begins I am unwell, comma inverted comma close he said full stop. So here look at here. This part is reported speech and this part is reporting verb. So this sentence is in direct speech. Here conversion from direct to indirect is he said that he was unwell, full stop. यहाँ देखिए चेंज हुआ है इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में, रूल्स हम बताएंगे. सो नेक्स्ट इज इन इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच वी यूज इन्वर्टेड कॉमास टू मार्क ऑफ द एग्जैक्ट वर्ड्स ऑफ द स्पीकर. स्पीकर के वर्ड्स को एग्जैक्टली बताने के लिए हम इन्वर्टेड कॉमास का यूज़ करते हैं. एंड इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में हम इन्वर्टेड कॉमास को ओमिट कर देते हैं एंड कंजंक्शन दैट का यूज़ किया जाता है. सो हियर आई हैव रिटन द रूल. While converting into indirect speech, inverted commas and comma are omitted and the conjunction that is used. So the next rule, that is rule number 5, is if the person of direct speech are changed accordingly. That I'll tell you later on. And when I tell you some rules of the related rules for the tenses, how to convert tenses. Number 6, if the person addressed in the reported speech is the second person, whether it is singular or plural, that changes into first person, whether it is singular or might be singular or plural. Next, I have taken an example to show you. My teacher said to me, comma, inverted comma begins, you are a clever child, full stop, inverted comma close. Indirect speech, my teacher told me that, here conjunction that is used, I was a clever child, full stop. Look at here, you is the second person, change into first person. Here singular you, here it is also changed into first person singular. The next rule is, that is very essential, you have to understand, words denoting time and position are changed as follows. जो वर्ड्स टाइम और पोजीशन को शो करते हैं उन्हें इस तरह से चेंज किया जाएगा. एंड वन मोर थिंग, वो रिवर्सिबल होते हैं, क्योंकि व्हेन यू आर कन्वर्टिंग फ्रॉम इनडायरेक्ट टू डायरेक्ट यू कैन चेंज देम लाइक दैट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, नाउ चेंजेस इनटू देन, दैट इफ देन इज देयर इट चेंजेस इनटू नाउ. नाउ, देन, here, there, this, that, ago, before, thus into so, today, that day, tonight, that night, yesterday, the day before or the previous day, last night, into the night before or the previous night. Here tomorrow I have written here, tomorrow changes into the next day or the following day.